Today I'm going to show you how to integrate your Book Like a Boss calendar software with your Dubb platform. So when people see your video, you should be able to have a pop-up where they can book a time with you, or a button underneath your video that they can immediately schedule a time with you. The reason that's important is because they're there and you want to get them to book a call as they're seeing your content, as they're feeling connected to you. The quicker you can get them to book a call, the better. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our calls to action. You're going to click on the calendar right here. And right here you're going to choose Book Like a Boss. Right here is the tricky part. Most people don't know where to find this ID and hashtag. So what you want to do is you're going to go to Book Like a Boss, and in here you will have different bookings that you can add, okay? So we're going to use the embed code. So you go to the embed section, and right here is going to be your ID code. It's between the I and the and sign. So you highlight this and you're going to embed this right here. And then you need your hashtag, which is right here. It's directly after the equal sign and up to the apostrophe or the quotation mark. So you're going to copy this and you're going to paste this here. And basically this is pulling in whichever calendar you want to use. So depending on which calendar you have on your Book Like a Boss, this is the one that's going to be displayed. So if you offer different services, you want to make sure you use the correct one. Then you're going to choose Book a Time. You can make it your default, and you can even put book a time on our Zoom call. Book a time with a Zoom call. Okay? And then basically you can name this to your call to action to stay organized. So I'm going to name this Zoom call. Make sure calendar is checked, Book Like a Boss. This is the ID number, the hash, book a time. Make this my default. Click submit. And now it's going to show a Zoom call as the default, okay? Now, when I'm over here, if you refresh my page, you click on Book a Time, and this would be implemented on any kind of page. So you choose the video, and then you choose your call to actions. So if I go to the video, right here is where you're going to choose your call to action, and I would do book a call, click save, and now if I go to this page, it's going to show that button, and as you can see, it's integrated with my Book Like a Boss. So I hope this helps, and I hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching.